everyone. Welcome to the first episode of Coffee and Camping. I'm Dathan.
I'm Alexis.
This is our 95 Fleetwood Bounder behind us that we live in.
Ooh.
With our two kids, ages 10 and 6.
Which we homeschool.
And our two fur babies.
Which I also homeschool.
And we're about to start a journey. We're right now in Marietta, Georgia. Beautiful North Georgia.
Freezing, North Georgia.
It's 34 degrees and we're Floridians. So,
so it's freezing.
It's freezing to us. And just like any Floridian, we're headed north next, even further, so stay tuned for that. And we are just gonna check out things, go have fun, teach the kids about the nation and the world and everything. We have been living now full time in what you see behind us, the Fleetwood Bounder, for 6 months now.
Which we call BBA.
Yes.
We'll get to that later.
Yeah, we'll touch
So when
base
you
on
hear
that.
us say BBA, talk about the house.
And because it's a 95, we chose to get old so we can make it our own. There's been repairs that comes along with it. I've learned a lot. Needless to say,
Lots of repairs.
she's learned a lot. And it's a great journey. There's going to be many videos of fixing things yourself, how to save from having to take it to the expensive RV mechanics, and do things yourself.
Also homeschool stuff and just our life, because we've been told that we're crazy and nobody understands how or why we're doing it. And so we're just kind of bringing to light the how and the why and the fun that comes with it. You know, everyone says, there's no way I could do it. Well,
yeah, you can.
Maybe you can.
You can. There's ways.
There are ways.
You might have to give up some conveniences, but there's ways. So, be sure to subscribe. We're going to have some crazy fun. This is about our 5th take on this video, so there will be, I think we're going to have a bloopers video before the second video comes out. So, but we're going to have a good time. We're going to be checking out local coffee shops, getting their local coffees and testing out different blends and everything.
Drinking lots of coffee.
Lots of coffee, as long as we stay up here.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
And tea. I'm a big fan of hot tea, so any suggestions on the hot tea?
Yeah, any suggestions, throw our way. We are, willing to try anything for coffees and teas and just checking out sites. I know there's plenty of RVers out there.
So cool.
So, yeah, thanks for checking us out. If you would, please subscribe and, come hang out with us.
And if you're another RV family, hit us up. Let us know where you're at. We'd love to connect and with other full-time RVers. So,
Thanks.
see y'all later.